Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
Because I want for iPhone.
Well, Mommy's using the iPhone. Okay, let's just take a nap.
No!
What do you want?
No!
What do you
I
want?
iPhone.
What do you want, baby?
iPhone.
What iPhone?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Why do you want the iPhone?
Because I don't want the iPhone. Because I don't want the iPad.
What do you want?
Video.
What do you want?
The iPhone.
Why do you want the iPhone?
Because I don't like the iPad.
Why? How come you don't like the iPad?
Come.
What?
I don't want it.
Okay.